we were hopeful that we would win, and I think that's what it is right now.
So how are you
Still waiting for the final result to be declared. So I think we should do it.
How are you feeling?
Of course, I think as every candidate is, gets nervous for the result, I was also. Although we knew that the response was very good, still nothing was for sure until every votes were counted. So we're just waiting for that.
And the results are as per expectation. So we're very happy that the people of Gambegre have voted for development, and we are very committed to that. And once again, we would like to take this opportunity to thank the people of Gambegre. We still have to wait. We still have the last round left. So let's wait for the final results and the announcement. But looking at the trends, it looks like we are quite comfortable, and we should be. See, every election is different. One has to look at election from a different perspective, and things change. Voters are intelligent, even though they may be from rural areas, but they know what is good for them and how they should vote in every election. So this election, as I said, they have voted specifically for change in terms of the constituency and development. So future also we have to see how things go, and every election is to be looked at from a different point of view.
How are you celebrating, sir?
No, nothing. We're just happy. We thank God for His blessings. We thank the people of Gambegre, and we thank most importantly all our leaders who have worked tirelessly to ensure that we were able to reach to this level in this election.